Hey everyone, it's Francis here from Lead Hero, and I've got another exciting announcement for you. We're always developing new functionality and cutting edge features into Lead Hero. And today I wanted to announce our Lead Hero Wordpress plugin. Okay, so now you can do amazing things with Lead Hero and integrate it into your website. If you've got a WordPress website, I'm going to show you what you can do. So at the moment we have web chat fully integrated. I'll just show you what that looks like. It's over here, this box here that asks you for your mobile phone, email, and you basically connect this via your Lead Hero chat widget here, where you can customize the image, the question, whether you want SMS, email with it when you want, if you want automation around that as well. But also, we have now launched our plugin for funnels. And that means that all of the funnels that you might be developing or we've launched for you around boiler installations, boiler servicing, home care, boiler replacement, you can now have those inside your website. What do I mean? Well, before we used to need a custom domain, or you needed to point your ads to Lead Hero or a custom domain within Lead Hero. But now with our WordPress plugin, it's as easy as going into the plugin settings in your WordPress dashboard, and you click on Add New. You go to our Lead Hero Lead Connector plugin, click on Add New. You basically have a whole list of your funnels that are synced to your Lead Hero account. And you select the one you want, you customize the URL for it, and boom, voila, you have now got a Lead Hero funnel right in your website, and it's got your domain, and it's as if it was your website, except you have the benefit of not needing a custom domain. You don't need any developers. You can do it yourselves. And it just makes advertising really, really seamless, really, really easy to do. So this is a bit of a game changer. And in fact, our clients, when they work with Lead Hero, they also say that Lead Hero is a game changer in their business. So if you've been on the fence, wondering what it's like to work with us, just reach out to me, or even in this group, we have a few of our valued partners, and they'll tell you what we're doing and how we're actually changing it up for trades businesses here in the UK. We're really, really excited. So yeah, any questions, let me know. Love to get your comments. And if you're a client, a Lead Hero partner, and you need some training to set this up, we're going to put a video in the guide and let you guys all know how to set this up on your WordPress site. Okay, that's it for now. We got so many more enhancements coming really soon. I'm so excited, but I can't tell you. Game changer. See you later.